Okay, let's start. Here you can find some banknotes from Russian Empire. These are very common examples. Here you can see a portrait of Alexander III. After that, we are jumping about 100 years forward to the Russian Federation. These are from the 19th, and these are in current circulation. In this pocket, I put the duplicates. So if you want to swap with me, you're welcome. Now we return back to the USSR period. These are two different issues. Here is a duplicates. This is Ukrainian karbovanetsy currency issued right after the USSR collapse. And here the next Ukrainian money, hryvnia. My collection and duplicates for swap. Serbian dinar, Czech koruna. Here are Argentinian pesos, Belize dollars, and Polish zloty. Here are Nicaraguan money and Polish duplicates. Guatemala currency and Italian lira. Red Costa Rican currency. A big package of Brazilian currency of my collection and for swap. Now we see Peruvian intis and Kazakhstan tenge. On the other side, I see Congo currency. Georgian lari, Uruguay peso, and crispy Venezuelan bolivars. Romanian leu, current and previous series. Some Chinese yuans, Belarus rubles. Mexico pesos and another Belarus rubles, duplicates for swap. At the bottom there is Swedish krona. Ethiopian nafka, Indonesian currency. Hungarian old pango and Cambodia currency. Indian rupees. Different series at the top, current series, and some duplicates for a swap at the bottom. Zimbabwe dollar and Singaporean dollar. Vietnam dong, Belgium franc. Oman currency and old Israeli shekels. Oh, here on the other side is Morocco dirham. Malaysian ringgit, Chilean peso, and more old Israeli shekels for swap. A very beautiful Bahamas cents with Her Majesty and another Israeli polymer shekels. Here at the top, I see some unsorted amount of banknotes, and so also at the bottom. Next are Latvian rubles and Moldavian leu. At the bottom, you can see the Transnistrian ruble. Spain peseta and another full set of Ukrainian first currency. On the other side is Lebanon pounds. Some Bulgarian banknotes and Egypt pounds. Okay, this one at the bottom is for swap, the next one seems current issue and at the bottom is Horvatian dinara. South Korean won, Nigerian naira and Myanmar kyats. And at the end, Iraq dinar and Turkish lira. So this was my big album of banknotes. I have more smallest ones, but I'll show you them in my next videos. Please subscribe to my channel, so you will not miss any of my new videos. See you.